Okay, on this month, the YouTube monthly creator, we got 10 new subscribers on the Yard Signs channel, which puts us over the 100 subscribers mark. So I want to give a shout out and thank each and every subscriber, not only on the Yard Signs channel, but also on the Alan Learns to Budget channel. I want to thank all my subscribers. I really appreciate you being a subscriber and hope to update you soon on the next milestone, whatever that would be. I don't know, 200 or 500 or however. Whenever they send me another congrats email, I will update it again. But I just want to thank you for being a subscriber.